So copy and paste. This might be a review for you because it's part of the bread and butter for a lot of the Microsoft applications and just a lot of software in general. However, you still want to pay attention because you might miss something new here. So let's check out the functions. So you got your copy, your cut, your paste, and then there's paste special. Did you know about that guy? We're going to jump into that a little bit. Your redo and undo functions, which come in handy. A lot of people know this, the undo, Ctrl Z, but you can actually do the redo with a quick command also. So let's learn about copy, paste, and a couple other useful functions. So you might already know that copy is Ctrl C, cut is Ctrl X, and then paste is Ctrl V, because those three are used pretty universally throughout all applications. So the difference obviously is when you copy something, it stays in the original location, but if you were to cut something, and then let's move over here, you actually are removing it. Let's do a little undo there. So that actually, the undo is Ctrl Z. It's used all the time, and I do see many Excel users actually going to the toolbar to find undo, but you can definitely do it a lot quicker by pressing Ctrl Z. So it's really one you should put some time into remembering. And many users do not know about the redo function. So if you change your mind, you want to do something all over again, it's actually Ctrl Y. So that's actually very useful. So when you paste, the most common thing is pressing Ctrl V to paste everything, and this includes formats. This includes, pretty much everything. But sometimes you don't want to paste everything. So what comes in handy is the paste special function. So let's take a whole range of this data right here. Okay, let's see if we can just paste into our next tab. Let's see if we can just get that formatting over here. So we're going to use the paste special, which is Ctrl Alt V. There we go. And then we're going to use, let's paste that format. Look at that. It's a little crazy, but that is how you use paste special, and there's a lot more options in there. Let's look at that again. Ctrl Alt V again. Yeah, you can even mix operations in there, but they have stuff like all except borders. You can paste just the column widths. I mean, there's a lot. You should really explore and play around with that, but that's definitely a big help. Another quick thing I want to show you is, so if you want to use the format painter, and let's say I want to take the formatting here and apply it somewhere else. Let's try that. So let's try Alt H F P, and then let's move it down. Let's just Control Shift, and then we just applied the formatting of that one cell to everything else in the line. So that was kind of cool. So play around with some of these formatting techniques, copy and paste, and I'll see you in the next lesson.